Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to plan in my Hobonichi Week Strawberry Latte, but this time instead of the regular weeks pages, we are planning in the notes pages using this kit that is quite new. When you're watching this, it should be up at the shop already, and you can go ahead and purchase it, and it is called Daring Fashion. I'll show you that in a little bit. So also I will be using these two things, a Kaweco Sport fountain pen as well as a Sailor Shikiori brush and fine tip pen. So if you'd like to see how this page turns into a regular Hobonichi Weeks page, then stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, so as per usual, let me go ahead and show you the sticker kit that we will be using today. And if you are new to the shop, this is our Hobonichi Week sticker kit. We also have Hobonichi Original A6 Japanese version and also Hobonichi Cousin that is available in two formats, the vertical as well as the hourly. But for our Hobonichi Weeks kits, we have two pages for each kit, costing about $2.50 at a regular price. But of course, if you would be a part of our Facebook group, paperjoyph Planning World, you will have discount codes on there that's exclusive for the group. So I'll see you over there if you would like, but let's take a look at Daring Fashion. So this is the second page, and these are the bottom bars. And the bottom bar here, the decorative one, says Dare to be Fabulous. Now this one is twice as big as this if you're new, and these are your bottom bars once again. And then this is the first page, so this is your date cover, your decorative script sticker, your checklist bar, three decorative circles, headers / labels, I could never remember. And then here, this is a bunch of circle or dot stickers that you can use to decorate your page or as functional checklist circles. Also, we will be using this Kaweco Sport, and you just unscrew this and it comes out like this. And this is the EF nib. In it, I have a combo of Noodler's Lexington Gray as well as PW Ackerman in something blau, so the blue one. And this is the Sailor Shikiori brush and fine tip pen. So this is the brush. The fountain pen fine tip one is this. I prefer to use the brush. And now we are going to plan on this page. Once again, this is the notes pages, and this is last week. So I have been using the back of my Hobonichi Weeks. Okay, this one first. Hobonichi Weeks as a second weeks. And let's go ahead and see, what did I do here? Oh, okay, I see what you did there. I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna put the left bottom bar on top here. If you would like to see how these stickers perform or are used in a regular Hobonichi Weeks page, then make sure to check out the previous video, because I'm pretty sure I will be using the regular weeks. Also, if you would like, you can also subscribe to this channel. I do post twice a week at least, but I think I will be posting twice a week from now on. This is a bad idea. Okay, hang on. So I'm taking this strip of decorative sticker. I put down the day covers because I want to do something fun. At least it's fun for me. So this is my handy dandy normal looking scissors that works like a normal scissors should, and is very functional, and I love it because it is doing its job, though it does not look anything fancy. I talk like this because I watched RuPaul's Drag Race and Miss Vanjie was there. I am a very, very, very big fan of Miss Vanjie. Miss Vanjie! Okay, do you guys watch RuPaul's Drag Race? Because it's so fun. It is available in our Netflix, and I am so grateful to life Alright, so this is what we have so far. And I am loving it so much. Okay, I have to stop that sing-songy voice. It's annoying. Even I'm annoyed. Hang on. Can I? Okay, yeah. Okay. Whoops. So I'm using the cream or slash glossy version. We have 3 types of paper. We have glossy cream, matte, as well as photo white. So this is the glossy version because I am going to use a fountain pen, and our glossy paper is well suited for, or is fountain pen friendly. Like, no joke. No bleeding, no feathering. Well, it will not bleed anyway, so you won't see it bleeding regardless. So I really shouldn't be saying that, but it does not, what do you call that? It doesn't feather. Yeah. So when I say it doesn't feather, that means that the sticker paper will be able to take most fountain pen inks. So I've just taken this checklist bar and I put it up against the day covers, and basically that's done. And then here I've taken a circle decorative sticker as well as a header sticker, and we are almost done. Actually, well done us, because the sun is going down. I am filming actually a little bit late today, and I wish I could have started earlier, but it is a Sunday, guys. Sometimes I just want my Sunday to be, proper Sundays. I hardly ever get that anymore. This is what we have. Okay, and then we have one last header that I'm going to put down at the bottom. My sticker paper is not repositionable, but if you work quickly, you can peel it off quickly and carefully. I put the K on there in the middle so that I have assemblage of it being aligned, but I'm pretty sure it's not. And then I'm going to put today and to do, or rather just to do. I'm probably not gonna use all of these stickers today. And then I'm going to take, So far, this is what I've put down. I think I'm going to put one more. I'm going to put track down over here. And then I don't want to put today there. Okay, fine. I'll put today up there. Ugh. So be very careful with the script stickers because they are very delicate. They're cut very finely. There you go. And this is our page done. Now I'm just going to take my Kaweco Sport and put down the dates. So this is the week of the 11th through the 17th, and I'm hoping to get this up on the same week. Maybe not. I do not know. I don't know with the kind of schedule that I have. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna use this side. It is this brush pen. Just going to line it up like this. So this is going to be for the 3 collections, some notes on the 3 collections that I will be making for this week. And then I'm going to put notes down here. There you go. I'm not going to line this page because I usually line it like I did, let's say, here. But I'm not going to line it because I want it to be like a bullet journal. You just write and just keep on writing things that have happened in the day, or maybe things that did not happen in the day but needs to happen, things like that. So I want to keep it. Oh, I'm going to move the goal sticker. Maybe I will move track too. Oh no. Okay, I don't want to move, and I don't want to rip the page when I pull it off. So I just want to make this a more fluid type of list. So it's not going to be sectioned per day. And that worked very well last time. And I'm hoping it will work again here. And I'm just going to do one last thing I'm going to take my Agenda 52 sticker book. And then I'm going to take this. Or maybe, okay, no, let's use this one. Oh, but this works so well. Okay, no. Goes. Yeah, that's why I wanted to pull it up. Okay, hang on. Oh, perfection. There we go. And that is all we're going to do today. So here are my empties. So this is the second page, and this is the first page. They're not complete empty, so I'm going to just move these two to the other side, or the other paper sheet of sticker, and just put it here at the back. So if I need some more stickers or the occasion arises, I can always use it. And this is, once again, let's go take a look up close. So this is just the decorative strip, and that I cut in two. And then here you go. And dare to be fabulous, guys, always. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Will be posting twice a week from now on, I promise, for the next few months at least. And if you want anything that I showed you today, especially the sticker kits, this is from paperjoyph. That is our shop, and my social media is usually paperjoyph. So Instagram and Facebook are both paperjoyph, and then our Facebook group, which is paperjoyph Planning World. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!